Here is the app called Photolab Editor AI Filter. So let's just install it and see how it works. So yeah, with this app, you can apply kind of really cool filters to your photos. This app is not to enhance or, animate your photos. Nope, it's just, to add this specific angle to your photos. It's also not just focusing on AI avatars and stuff like that. But let's just see what I will talk. So yeah, then there is some like ads in the free version. So here you can see some trending, recent effects and old tune, and then you can just go to your profile. You need to sign up probably, so you can sign up with Apple or Facebook. And then you can use combo builder. You can limit access to your photos. Yeah, I would suggest to limit access to this kind of photos. And then so for example, let's just try this, and then tap and hold to see original photo, and then yeah, you can just try some kind of filter. I don't know actually how it works, so then probably you just need to, all right, let's select this effect. And then you can also add some prompts. And then it just takes some time. There are some ads. Yeah, it's a bit confusing, to be honest. So something is not working, but I guess you get the idea that you can apply all these kind of effects to your photos. So this is not like AI avatar app. All right, so it's just adding this kind of cool effect. Yeah, so that's the idea. Then you also have feed with all these cool things, Insta looks, this kind of Instagram. It's like categories which you can have here. Then there is like a combo builder, and then yeah. So let's just try something else. So let's see. And then again, it's just taking some time. So yeah. Anyhow, like you need to play with it, but so unfortunately, it's not like that easy to very quickly create that. So for example, I just wanna try some AI look, but hopefully at least you can just try some things for free in this app. So that at least is good. Unfortunately, and then it just wants me to upgrade. And there are some additional ads. Okay, so here is what you can see. Okay, so that's like the filters you can apply. This are kind of like AI photos. So yeah, something like that. I don't know if that's helpful, but you can experiment and then you can just find all these AI avatars, all these styles and layouts, which you can try out. So yeah, that's just what it is. So give it a try. this is like a Barbie style. Anyhow, that's what it is. Try out the app and give your thoughts in the comments.